too. How are you this evening? As you can see, I'm busy cutting hay. Little bouncy, don't have a way to mount my phone. It's late evening, and we're not doing too shabby. Yeah, it's probably a little better over there. Nice thing is I got a rear view mirror. Driving a different swather. I got a John Deere 4890 with an 890 specialty crop head. Seems to be doing good. Oops, sorry about that, I covered you up. Trying to get up to speed there a little bit. There we go. So I thought I'd do a check-in. But y'all know I've been really busy. I'm sorry I haven't been posting up as many videos as I have before. It's just been a crazy time right now, and I'll post as I can. If you like the videos, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe, touch that notification bell. And we'll see you on the next one. God bless and have a good evening.